In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your email signature on Outlook. A clean logo in your signature helps your emails look professional and on-brand, and the process is straightforward whether you're on the new Outlook, Outlook on the web, or classic Outlook on Windows. Let's start with the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Open Outlook, click the Settings gear icon, then go to Accounts, and select Signatures. If you already have a signature, select it. If not, create a new one and give it a clear name so you can find it later. In the signature editor, place your cursor exactly where you want the logo to appear before your name, beneath your contact info, or aligned with your social links, whichever fits your layout. Click Insert Pictures Inline, then upload the logo from your computer. Once it appears, drag the corners to resize the image, so it looks sharp on desktop but still fits on mobile screens. Keep the proportions by dragging from a corner rather than a side, and make sure it's not so large that it overwhelms your text. When it looks right, click Save so your changes stick. Now for classic Outlook on Windows. Click File in the top left, then Options. Choose Mail, and under the Compose Messages section, click Signatures. In the Signatures window, either select an existing signature or click New to create one. Give it a name and click OK. In the editor, place your cursor where the logo should go. Click the Insert Picture icon, the one that looks like a small photo with mountains, then browse to your logo file, select it, and click Insert. To fine-tune the size, click the image. You can right-click and choose Picture, then open the Size tab to lock the aspect ratio and enter your preferred dimensions, or simply drag the corners in the editor to scale it while keeping the image balanced. If you want your logo to link to your website, click the image, then click the chain link icon and add your URL. When you're finished, click OK to save the signature and close the editor. Back in the Signatures window, set your defaults so this signature is used automatically for new messages and for replies and forwards if you want consistent branding in every email. That's it. Thanks for watching.